Double check, ensuring accuracy in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that's all about accuracy. Double check. Whether you're in a conversation or working on a project, this little term can make a big difference. Let's explore why it's important to double check and how you can use this phrase in your daily English practice. The phrase double check is a verb that means to verify something again or to look over something one more time to ensure that it is correct. It's like a safety net in language. You're making sure you didn't miss anything the first time. When we double check, we're being careful and thorough. In both written and spoken English, double checking can save us from mistakes and misunderstandings. It's a simple action that shows you're responsible and attentive to details. Whether it's rereading an email before sending it or confirming an appointment time, double checking helps avoid errors. Let's see double check in action. Imagine you're at a restaurant, and you want to ensure your order is correct. You might say, "I just want to double check. Did I order the vegetarian pizza?" Or, if you're finishing a test, you could think, "I should double check my answers before handing it in." Double checking can be quick and easy. Here are a few tips. 1. Take a brief pause after your first check. 2. Look for common errors or misunderstandings. 3. If possible, ask someone else to double check for you. A fresh pair of eyes can catch what you might have missed. And that's a wrap on double check. Remember, taking the time to double check can make a significant difference in your communication. It's a small step that reflects good habits in language learning and everyday life. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helps you double check with confidence in your English endeavors. Happy learning!